I'll tell you a little story about a pair of strangers in the night who came to call each other friends. One had power, the other chased glory. They did the unthinkable and reached for that impossible light. But one's greatest sin would rise in the end. At the top of the world, there we stood, enjoying the fame and admiration. But little did I know, I'd signed away my soul. Betrayed in my own game, I threw my fist to the sky and shouted his name. I'm weary, I'm tired, now you'll burn in the fire. I no longer have any doubts, I am determined to end the shadow your father cast of darkness and pain. You took my life, my humanity too, left away this loneliness, the last thing that remains. And even though it's too late for me, I learned never to trust again. Today I break my chains and take what I'm due. It's just you and me, and no one will come to help you. Left soulless, left loveless, but what does it matter when you're with the puppet master? My plan will succeed and you will be the star of the show. Your agony only makes me stronger. Not even your precious boyfriend can stand up against my rage. So just sit down, because now you're in my world. Look at you, my pretty little princess. See what a little makeup can do. Now don't you fret, the stage is set, and now you'll dance till my night is through. Lonely, empty existence in such pain. Soon I'll revenge me whole again. Piece by piece, bit by bit, you'll remain. Search within the mirror for yourself in vain. Below, a hollow vessel is all that you see. No matter what you do, you're stuck with me.